Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I've had a request for a herringbone stitch poncho, so here we go, and here's that video. I'm working with a bulky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain to the following numbers. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the third stitch from the hook. And I'm going to make my first herringbone stitch. I'm going to insert my hook in that stitch, and then in the next stitch, and then pick up the yarn and pull it through, and you'll have 3 loops on the hook, and then pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3. You're going to do that all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across your row. Okay, and that's what your first row will look like. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn, and this row is going to be repeated for the entire pattern. Single crochet in the very first stitch, which is the second stitch from the hook. And I'm working through both loops for this first stitch. And now you just continue with the herringbone stitch. Pass the hook through that stitch, and we're going to work in the back side of the stitch, not here. You're going to roll the work over so that you can see this loop, and then work your herringbone stitch in that stitch. So into this loop, turn the work to the back so you can see the back loop, and then finish the herringbone stitch. You're going to work all the way across the row doing this stitch, and you'll just keep repeating this row over and over like that. And here's my panel for my poncho, and that's how that looks. So you're just going to work row after row according to the following chart. Or depending on how long you would like your poncho to be. And then after you have your rectangle made, you're going to fold the rectangle Your last row work is going to have more stretch, so use the foundation row up at the neck, and then it won't stretch out. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to crochet this herringbone poncho. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.